D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And today I have a rapid fire, direct fire or direct flames. There is no heat exchanger. The furnace just burns into the supply air or airstream. It is a outside air unit, you can see here. Outside air. And this is by the airport, by the way. This is air intake. See that? And then this right here is your discharge. You see, I'm still in the process. I'm gonna close everything back up, but you know, this is a brand new supply air sensor or discharge air sensor. Outdoor air temperature sensor. Okay, so let me open up this right here. Okay, so that's a direct fire for you. Direct fire. This definitely will purify the air, I guess. But you're going to be mindful that this also will have some speed numbers working. But yeah, that's direct fire right there. That's real fire. Got my tools all over the place. I'm just finishing up this job. Here I have this old damper, the old outside air damper. It's rusty, so I'm not able to remove it from the shaft. It's basically seized on the shaft, so I'm trying to use this thing right here to free it up. So I'm gonna have to return and look at this one because this is the new actuator that's supposed to be on there. Alright, but that's for another day. I do have 2 more units which I had completed in its entirety. Give you numbers on the furnace. And this is a direct fire system. Here is controller. Let's look into what's going on right now. All right. 74 degrees on the space, in the room. Heating set point is 90. Status. See, discharge air temperature is 73. Heating output 0%. So this here is a modulating heating signal. This converts the 10 volts DC, 0 to 10 volts DC from this controller output into 0 to 20 volts DC. Okay, got my multimeter ready to see what I got. And this is your burner or control or ignition control. All right. We still have some fire, even though, okay, so we are 8%, okay, 9%. So the flame is coming up. Let's see, it should be small flame right now, not big flame. As the percentage output goes up, the flames get bigger and bigger. There's a plane coming by. So look at 41%. You see 41%. I think if I open the supply, this hatch right here, it brings in the outside air. And that makes the output goes up. But nonetheless, I'm just finish scrolling down, scrolling through the status. Okay. See what you have. Okay. So yeah, it was a nice little project. Right, everything, all these right here was installed. All these was right here was a part of the upgrade. The transformers, 3 transformers, all these relays. This device right here, this basically, like I said, it takes the 0 to 10 volts DC signal output from here and increase that to 0 to 20, because this modulating gas pressure regulator, that's what controls the output of the furnace, and it's 0 to 20 volts. Okay. And this obviously is also brand new as a part of the upgrade. This pressure transducer, also part of the upgrade. Alright. I did also, when I replace this, you can see it's fairly new compared to all this stuff. It's not a new unit, but this transformer is old. These are old transformers.